Hello and welcome to How to Play Drop Dead, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the dice game Drop Dead. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay, and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 2 or more players. To play, you will need 5 dice and a score sheet. The object of the game is to score points. Players will roll the dice and score points if the dice rolled do not contain a 2 or a 5. If the roll has a 2 or a 5, those dice are set aside and the roll is not scored. The 5 dice are given to a player to start the game. Player 1 will start this game with a roll. The roll contains 2 5s and a 2. Those dice are now dead and set to the side. Because the roll contained dead dice, the roll is not scored. Player 1 will now roll the remaining 2 dice. This time player 1 gets a 3 and a 1. Since there are no 5s or 2s in this roll, the roll is scored. Player 1 gets 4 points and will roll the 2 dice again. This roll contains a 2, and that die is set aside. The last die is rolled. Player 1 rolls a 6 for 6 points. Another 6 for 6 points, then a 2. The last die is dead and player 1's turn is over. Player 1's rolls combine for a total of 16 points. The score is recorded and play moves to player 2 to take their turn. Player 2 will make rolls and will set aside dead dice as rolled and score points as rolled. Once all players have taken a turn, the scores are compared. The player with the highest score wins the game. That wraps up How to Play Drop Dead. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.